Hey guys, it's Mo Hunter back, and Wolfly, my sister. Bella, come over here. Hold on. Hold on, let me look at their YouTube channel. Oh, so do y'all hear my sister in the background?
Hello.
Yeah. So this is her Roblox account. Or not her account, this is my account, but it's her Roblox avatar. So, hi guys, tell me what games I should make and I will. Just tell me in the comments, okay? Yeah, guys.
Tell us. Because we're gonna be so happy.
So this is her full Roblox account. She made it look a lot like mine if y'all know what mine looks like.
It's ugly.
I'm sad now. Okay, everyone. I have this saved so I can put it on mine real quick to show them. So it's really sad because I haven't uploaded in like a long time. You see my drift? Yeah, Fortnite brother. Got him. But I don't know why I called it man-me because because normally I wear the just normal package.
Oh no, Fred see me.
But look at this, dude.
Fred sees me. Oh no, Fred's gonna attack.
Look at this.
He's in attack mode.
She made this a lot like mine, and I put the exploding diarrhea pants on for the memes, okay? And it looks really good with that pants. Or it's just that I've had it on for like a year. So what? But it looks really creepy. She has her Arthro head, and then the like normal one. Y'all see this, dude?
I know, guys. Don't listen to him because Fred's over here looking
at us. Yeah, Fred, our dog.
We're about to have another dog named Freddy.
Yeah,
oh no, Fred! You just messed up the whole thing. Oh my god.
Hold on.
One like critical, one happy Bella.
Game that
guys, one like critical, one happy Bella.
So I'm gonna show her my games. This video is me showing her all my games. So yeah, I just let my friend make a game, so I just let my friends make very disturbing games. And she has Bella has very manly farts.
I'm so sorry, guys. Don't listen to him. I don't have left. I just folded 3,000 times and he laughed.
So this is let me show you. This is a very disturbing game my friend made.
I hate those.
These are all my games.
Oh my.
Shut it.
I love that
So
one.
my friend made this.
One like what
my friend made this. It's only a dislike by the person who made its girlfriend. No, literally, she like I talked to her because she played it, and I was like, hey, who dropped a dislike on it? She said me because Aiden made it. But yeah, this is the game, and my sisters.
I love it.
Like literally, there's a unicorn and fly, and then there's this.
Hey guys,
I don't know what this is.
You
just searched up
one like critical, one happy.
Please and I don't know what all this is. I'm gonna run over here.
Listen to him.
The classic. This is such a weird game, though. Look at this. And then there's the heart dragon. I don't know. But this is my most famous game I've ever made. Not the most visits, but the most likes. My Teen Titans Go roleplay. Bella, do you see this? 10 likes.
Wow.
This one.
Come on, babies. We gotta go.
Mom, look at my team. Okay, I